Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of how our brain and immune system talk to each other, all through the lens of some intriguing molecules and pathways. Let's start with tryptophan, charming amino acid found in turkey and other tasty foods. But it's not just about holiday dinners. Tryptophan is a star player in the brain's chemistry. Once it crosses into our brain via the large neutral amino acid transporter, it embarks on a journey through a maze of metabolic routes. One major pathway is the serotonin route. Think of serotonin as the brain's happiness courier. Tryptophan gets converted into serotonin, which can then be transformed into melatonin, the sleep hormone that helps us catch Z's. But the story doesn't end there. Enzymes like tryptophan 2,3-dioxygenase and endoleamine 2,3-dioxygenase can divert tryptophan down a different path, into the Kynurenine pathway. This Kynurenine journey is a bit of a double-edged sword. On the bright side, it produces metabolites that are essential for brain function. But on the darker side, some of these metabolites, like quinolinic acid, can contribute to oxidative stress and even brain damage if things get out of balance. That's where the immune system steps in. Immune cells release cytokines, tiny signaling molecules like interleukin-6, which can influence this pathway. Chronic stress can ramp up pro-inflammatory cytokines, tipping the scales towards inflammation and potential mood or cognitive issues. Speaking of immune cells, dendritic cells, microglia, and astrocytes are like the brain's own security team. They respond to signals like cytokines and can modulate brain activity. Sometimes this immune activation leads to the release of reactive oxygen species, causing oxidative stress, which can damage neurons and disturb neural circuits. And that's bad news for brain health, especially if it goes on for too long. In this complex dance, receptors play a crucial role. For example, sigma-2 receptors are like the brain's mystery sensors, influencing cell survival and neuroplasticity. Tryptamine, a trace amine associated with receptors called trace amine-associated receptors, can also modulate mood and perception. Plus the cholinergic and glutamatergic systems. Think of these as the brain's messaging and excitatory communication channels interact with these pathways, influencing everything from memory to mood. Vitamin D also joins the party. It acts through vitamin D response elements in the DNA to regulate immune responses and may help keep inflammation in check. Now, all these pathways are interconnected with enzymes like kynurenase, helping to break down kynurenine metabolites and other molecules like nicotinic acid. So next time you are feeling stressed or a bit down, remember there's a whole molecular universe inside you working tirelessly. And that's the wonderful, complex, sometimes quirky world of tryptophan, immune signaling, and brain chemistry, delivering a smile along with some science.